Next up, we have what I'm gonna call the zombie, because this thing does not look like it should be running. It's a HRX217. Look at that. This thing looks like it's died. But strangely enough, of course, the battery's not working. Nothing gives the indication that this thing would run nice. I'm just gonna say that's a testament to Honda right there of what those engines are made of. You can't kill a Honda. I'm sure you've heard that expression. That's just a testament straight to that, because this thing looks like it was dug out of a lake. Give it a quick little clean, and we'll get it up on the lift. Holy cow. So this gentleman is actually being very specific on what he wants done. He wants the spark plug, oil changed, and a rear tire. That's what he wants done to it. I guess nothing else. So that's what I'm going to do for him. I'm obviously going to make sure it's safe and running safe. Oh, and he wants the drive adjusted that you saw, which is right there. Right there. We're going to adjust it. We're going to change out that wheel. We're going to change out this spark plug and the oil. And make sure it's safe to run, because this thing looks like it just came across the Mojave. It's rough. I could probably blow dirt out of this thing for an hour and a half. So I'm just giving it a quick clean up. Let's get into this one. Let's come on. Up says me. Up says me. There we are. Up close and personal. Surprised nothing alive came running out of this thing. Get that out of there. Holy cow. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and drain the oil on this fine piece of machinery here. What I like to do is blow it off a little. Quick blow. No air filter. Funny thing is, you didn't mention anything about an air filter. How that carburetor is still running like it is beyond me. That's beyond me. But hey, who am I? Let's go ahead and get this oil out of here. We'll move her down. Get her down here. Move it down a little. Oh yeah. I surely hope the oil wasn't up that high. No, it wasn't up there. It sure wasn't. Seems like an awful lot of oil coming out of there. Blades actually don't look bad. Blades look nice. He didn't request them to be sharpened, so I'm not gonna. I will get that spark plug though. No air filter. I'm going to clean that out because I want to sleep tonight. What did we say there? Spark plug. Apparently he just wants that wheel replaced. Only that wheel. Spark plug. Adjust the oil. Yes, sir. All right, so let's go ahead and clean this out real quick before we go any further, because it's gonna drive me nuts. And I have actually, I'm not charging them for this because this is an old air filter out of an old machine. But just so I can rest easy this evening, because I'll think about that all day and all night. We got that there. Yeah. That's an awful lot of oil. Holy cow, that was well over oiled. We have our oil. Have a spark plug, rear tire. I did confirm with the service writer, that's what the guy said he wanted done. He was specific about it, that's all he wanted done, and adjust the drive. So I'm going to do that, obviously make sure everything else looks safe, is safe on it for him to be running it. But that's all he wants done, that's all he's gonna get done. So, there we go. All right, let's get some oil in here first off. I was out there pretty far. I got out there. Alright, just a touch more. Make sure this is dried up. There it is. Right at the top of the line. Beautiful, right amount of oil in there. You notice I didn't screw that in when I was testing the height. That's actually to spec. So, now we got the oil changed. 1, 2, 3. Next up, spark plug. Oh yeah, breakaway. Fix it, there we go. Not too often I get to jam one home. I'll give it a double jam. Yeah, that's why I don't play in the NBA. Oh, reset. There we go. Now to change the tire, I'm actually gonna take it down a notch. Down, Boba. Good boy. Boom. Now, I'm gonna take this off and lift it right back up. Up, sesame. What are you doing? Get back in there. Get back in there. Now the reason for that, so that I can flip it up like this and over like that to get this tire off easily. Turn your gas off too, so that stops. And this gas will, a little bit of gas will come out if you do it this way. This is just so that these rings stay on here nice. Yeah, that's a tire there. Look at that, brand new. Goes right on like so. I mean, just as easy as that. Turn that gas back on. Let that carburetor refill a little bit. There we go. Next up is adjusting this drive. And then she's donezo. So to adjust this drive, we're going to start her up. A handy dandy clip. Like that. Two 10mm. I'm gonna change this to minimum. Perfect. And that's the end of that. The zombie lives on. We're on to the next one.